In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop files from downloading from OneDrive. If your OneDrive keeps pulling files down to your computer and eating up storage or bandwidth, this walkthrough will help you keep your content online only while still visible in File Explorer. We'll move through OneDrive's own menu, adjust a few options areas, and finish by freeing up local space so files stop auto-downloading. Start by going to the lower right corner of your Windows taskbar and clicking the OneDrive Cloud icon in the system tray. If you don't see it immediately, expand the hidden icons. This opens the small OneDrive panel with quick actions. Make sure OneDrive is signed in and running before moving on. From that panel, click the gear icon to open Settings. You'll see a compact menu first. Choose the Settings option again to open the full OneDrive Settings window. This is where all the deeper controls live. If the window doesn't appear on top, check your taskbar for the OneDrive window and bring it forward. In the full settings window, switch to the sync and backup section. This area governs how and when OneDrive syncs content to your device. Scroll down until you find advanced settings. It can sit below other sync and performance options, so keep scrolling until you see it clearly. Click advanced settings to open it. This page groups together behaviors that influence how files are stored and updated on your device. If your goal is to keep files online and avoid background downloads, this is the place that ensures OneDrive respects those preferences. Scroll again toward the bottom of this area, then relog into your account from within OneDrive when prompted. Signing out and back in refreshes the connection and applies any changes cleanly, especially if OneDrive has been persisting older sync behavior. Don't worry, your files stay safe in the cloud and your local placeholders will reconnect after sign in. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection during this step. Once you're back in, choose Free Up Space. This action removes local copies from your device while keeping the files in OneDrive and visible in File Explorer. You'll notice cloud icons next to items indicating they're online only. Opening a file will download it on demand. If you want it to remain online only, avoid opening it locally and use web access when needed. That's it. You've guided OneDrive to stop downloading files automatically and reclaim local storage while maintaining quick visibility and access to everything in the cloud.